warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From the first group, we would like to tell you about formation of blood components in adults and the components that infected to this part. The first one is formation of blood components. The components of blood are mixed in the bone marrow. The process of producing and developing blood is called hematopoiesis. In addition to the bone marrow, lymph nodes, spleen, and the liver also help regulate the circulation of blood cells. The flow of blood in the body is called the circulatory system. There are two circulatory systems, namely small blood circulation and large blood circulation. Small circulation system is blood flows from the right ventricle to the lungs through to the pulmonary arteries. Then, in the lungs, there is an exchange of blood that contains a lot of carbon dioxide or CO2 with blood that contains a lot of oxygen or O2. Blood that contains a lot of carbon dioxide returns to the heart through the veins to the right atrium. The correct sequence of major blood circulation is to go from the heart to the rest of the body and back to the heart. In detail, the heart left ventricle until aorta and then arteries and also capillaries and also upper and lower veins, and the last is heart or right atrium.
Broadly speaking, the difference between arteries and veins in the cardiovascular system can be seen in the direction of blood flow they carry. Arteries are responsible for carrying blood from the heart to the rest of the body. On the other hand, the veins are in charge of carrying blood from the organ of the body back to the heart. Pulmonary circulation of pulmonary circulation is the circulation of blood from the heart to the lungs and vice versa. This circulation takes place with blood containing carbon dioxide from the rest of the body. Metabolism returns of the heart from the large veins or vena cava.
Blood circulation vital is obtained from the mother and food from the mother to the placenta and then reach to the entire body of the fetus through the weight in the abdomen. Factors that affect the growth and birth rates growth refer to sex, weight, and age. The severe and extremely old person is congenital condition, body temperature, and the environment in which the person is living. Understanding the function and organs of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system has an important role in body function. Some of the main functions of the lymphatic system are the various mechanisms such as germs, viruses, pruning, and parasites that takes the presence of cancer cells and lymphatic cells.
Okay, bone marrow and thymus gland. Bone marrow and thymus gland are organs that play an important role in the immune system and play a key role in the lymphatic system. Bone marrow is responsible for producing various types of blood cells, such as red blood cell, platelets, and white blood cells or leukocytes. Meanwhile, the thymus gland is responsible for producing lymphatic cells called T cells. The cells function to detect and fight bacteria and viruses that cause infection. Spleen. The spleen is the largest organ in the lymphatic system. This organ located on the left side of the stomach is responsible for filtering and monitoring blood in the body. The spleen also plays a role in production and storage of body cells, including various types of white blood cells.
Okay, and then lymph nodes and vessels. In the body, white blood cells produced by the lymphatic system will move through the lymphatic fluid or lymphatic fluid. This fluid is spread through the lymphatic vessels. The flow of lymphatic fluid is also regulated by the lymph nodes. This gland is also responsible for producing white blood cells that play a role in fighting cancer cells and microorganisms that cause infection, such as bacteria, virus, parasites, and fungi. Lymph nodes are located in almost all parts of the body, include the neck, chest, armpit, abdomen, and brain.
Number 1. That is lymphatic vessel. This lymphatic vessel transport lymph from the heart to the knees and heart. The right lymphatic vessel is pushed into the feet under the right subvein or the vein that face towards the right corridor. Number 2. That is the chest or chest vessel. The vessel carries comes from the hardest part of the body and into vein under the circulation and signature or the vein that space showed the life corridor. The technology used to treat normal group circulation system is angioplasty. The treatment is used for the opening the blood flow legs look by petticoats or tests. The way to do this is by using a balance. The interpretation caters to the balance is changed to the blood flow setup. Then, after the position is right, the balance is inflated and because the flesh liquid goes out and moves slowly, rotates smoothly.
Okay, the conclusion is we have to know that all of organs in our body, especially about the blood and circulation of the blood, because we are the human, and we must to take care to it, because we have to know that the disease of blood circulation and some organs that infected by us. Okay, that's all from us. Please forgive us if we have many mistakes. Let us we say,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.